you're in the background. Hey Oilers, Lisa Zimmer here today doing our weekly live with Lisa. Going to do a little short education about a couple oils. Let's see who joins us today. We are on vacation in Arizona and the sun shines in every window, so it's been a little bit of a challenge to find a spot where we can do our video. Yay, Carol's on. Hey Carol. Say hi in the comments so when I go back and watch the video I know who was here. Alright, we are going to do a couple things today. It'll probably be short and sweet because the family's getting ready to go out and about. But after the video's over, I will tag the winners of this week's giveaways. So what we do, hey Patricia, in our weekly giveaways, we give away an oil or two. Hey Jenny. Hi from Arizona. We're going to do our weekly giveaway. We're going to give away today one of the oils from our, hey Melody, from our Happy St. Patty's Day post that we did on our private members page. Hey Deb, hey Margie, hey Becky, yay, everybody's popping on today. Yes, well I tell you what, it's only like 60 here today in Arizona, so we got a little tricked, so that's the sweatshirt. So be sure to say hi so I know you're here. I'm going to go back when it's over and draw the winners of the giveaways. I'll announce what the giveaways are. Hey Kathy, but I didn't have a chance to tally up all the posts and comments. Hey Brendy. And so when we're done, I will do that and I'll post who the winners are. So we are giving away today oregano and lime oil. So oregano was one of the 3 oils that we learned about this week. It was our St. Patty's Day giveaway because there were 3 green oils, oregano, basil, and cilantro. And then the lime oil is one of our March Madness oils. We told you about 16 oils that were less than $16. And so one of those was lime. And we do all of our detailed education, extensive education, hey Sue, on our private members only page called Yay Oils Members Only. So it's looking like all people we know are popping on. That's awesome. Hey Kathy, yeah, we can get you a book when I get back from vacation for sure, and then let's meet. I get back on Sunday, so let's meet one day next week. So how you get in that members only page is you get your own account with doTERRA. Your own account entitles you to 25% off all the products, plus you get up to another 30% off in rewards. So for example, I spend $100, I get $37 of that back to spend. They refund all my shipping and they refund 30% of my orders. So be sure to get your own doTERRA wholesale account. If you're on this page, be sure to contact the person that invited you here and get the account through them. That's the only way to get into our private members page. You have to actually get your doTERRA account with us or someone in our group, okay? So, all right, so a little bit of education. I don't have my Essential Life book with me today, so I'm gonna do education on oregano using the Modern Essentials app. So I'm just going to type in oregano. It's that simple. Get this app, download it to your phone. It's called Modern Essentials by Aromatools. It's the only app I use. I don't use any other app. And so I just type in oregano and it tells me what it's for. It's great for healthy feet, so like for any kind of fungal or any kind of cleansing that the feet need. It's great for calluses, canker sores. It's great for your immune system. So we use the oregano every day. We make a roller called the Balm, and the Balm roller helps boost our immunity and help us stay healthy. Hey Sarah. And so the Balm roller in a 10 milliliter roller is 10 drops of lemon, On Guard, and Melaleuca, and 5 drops oregano and 5 drops frankincense. And Jackson rolls that on the bottom of his feet at bedtime from the time school starts until the time school's out to help our bodies stay healthy and help our immune system be strong. posts at school. He brings home all kinds of interesting things, so we want to combat that right away. All right, so yes, Becky's already using oregano, and so it works great for that, Becky. It works great for warts. You just put a dab of oregano, like toothpicks, on the end of a toothpick, right on the wart. It helps your body have a healthy inflammatory response. It helps with muscle aches and pains. It helps with sinus health. It helps with all kinds of good stuff. It helps warm the body. Oregano is an oil that you have to dilute unless you're like burning off a wart. You have to dilute that. It's a hot oil. If you put it directly on the skin, it's very irritating and it will actually burn. So you dilute that. We dilute our rollers. So the recipe I gave you for the balm, there's only about that much oil in the roller that's this big. We top it off with fractionated coconut oil. Hey Holly, hey Janelle, thanks for joining us. So we're learning about oregano and lime today because those are the giveaways. Oregano from the St. Patty's Day giveaway of all the green bottles of oil. And then lime, sticking with the green bottle of oils, lime from the March Madness. Hey Diane, yay. All right, so we got a little different background today. We're in Arizona for vacation, so it'll be a short and sweet video. All right. The emotional benefits of oregano, it strengthens one's feelings of security. So it's also ingestible. This is only the doTERRA brand. We are only talking about doTERRA. Big difference from all the other brands. doTERRA is completely different. So don't take any of the information that we talk about and apply that to a different brand of oil. It's unsafe to do so. Oregano blends well with basil, fennel, geranium, lemongrass, thyme, and rosemary. So we use oregano quite a bit. I think Scott does a little bit, a couple times a month he does oregano, melaleuca, on guard, lemon, and frank, a drop of each. That's the balm oils in a shot glass and swallows that down. That does not sound appetizing to me, so I just roll the bottoms of my feet with the balm, and then I'll take an empty veggie cap. It's just an empty vegetable capsule, and I'll put the drops in there and then swallow it so I don't taste it. So that's oregano. So when we get done today, I'll go back through the posts for the March 17th. I didn't get time to do that this morning. And I'll announce the oregano winner on this thread. Be sure to comment. If you comment, then you'll get a notification of if you're the winner. All right, so the next one's lime oil. If you want to learn about all these oils, become a wholesale member with anyone in our group, and you get into the private Facebook page, and we are going to be doing, hey Amy, hey Shannon, hey Becky, gosh, what a good turnout for spring break. And all of those that are already on here and already members with us, be sure to help your own friends and family enroll and get their own wholesale account. That's how they get access to the Yay Oils members only page. And they can get in on the free giveaways, they can get the free oil of the month, they can get all those free rewards points. So be sure to help your own friends and family enroll with you, with this group. That's how they get access to all this great information. We've enjoyed the live videos so much, telling you everything about a new oil every day, that we're going to continue with those through the end of May. So you'll learn about every single doTERRA product live from a different educator every single day. So that'll be fun. Look for those every day. Hey, Lori. All right, so lime. I just typed lime into my Modern Essentials app. Hey, Connie. And it's going to tell me how to use lime. So lime is cold expressed from the peel of the lime. It's good for maintaining a healthy body temperature. It's good for skin health. I know it's good for mucus because someone was posting about that earlier. So a great sinus recipe, or a great recipe for kids if they've got chronic runny nose or whatever, is breathe oil and lime oil in a 10 milliliter roller. We like to go based on age for dilution. So if it's an adult, 20 drops breathe and 20 drops lime is great, and top it off with fractionated coconut oil. If it's for a child, we go by age. So say it's a 5-year-old, you would use 5 drops breathe and 5 drops lime in a 10 milliliter roller and top off the rest with fractionated coconut oil. Hey Selena, hey Kathy. I'm so excited that so many people turned out during spring break. All right. So lime can be applied neat, but we promote diluting in our group. One, it's safer. You're not going to have any skin reactions that way if it's diluted. Two, it helps your body absorb the oil slower, so it's a better absorption rate, so it let the effects last longer. You can cover a larger surface area easier. We like the roller applicators because then you don't have to touch the oils and then go wash your hands. You can just roll it right on and put it back in your purse. It's very convenient, and it helps you save money on your oils because these oils are so strong, they work great diluted, so you may as well take advantage of that. So what's also nice about this app is it then tells you how to use it. So it tells you how to use it topically. It's a great oil to diffuse. We have probably hundreds of diffuser recipes using lime. And those are all available in our private group. So once you become a member with us, you get access to all of that. All right, so historical uses, lime was used for all kinds of great all-natural health and wellness. It was used in place of lemon. It's great for sore throat, for sniffles. It's great for all kinds of things. All right, just reading through here. It's also good for removing gum. So like if you get gum in your hair, lime and lemon are great for that. It helps support the digestive system, immune system, and respiratory system. Aromatically, so smelling it, it has a lot of emotional benefits. It has a fresh, lively fragrance that is stimulating and refreshing. It helps you overcome exhaustion, sad feelings, listlessness. Some sources claim that inhaling the oil may stimulate the muscles around the eyes. Fascinating, I did not know that. It blends well with clary sage, lavender, rosemary, and other citrus oils. Yay! So I love to drink lime in my water. I diffuse it. I have it in a couple rollers. We use it all kinds of ways. All right, so coming up, we've got videos for you on our private page all this next week again. I will post a giveaway for the week, and let's make this one open to the public so some of the new people can get in on the giveaway. So I'll take a look and see what would be a great oil to give away in conjunction with our education that's going on this week. So hope that helped you learn a little bit about oregano and lime. Hey Darla. Spring hairdo. This is the vacation ponytail. So that's pretty much my look for vacation is no makeup and ponytail or wet knot. And so I went out of my comfort zone for vacation. I put makeup on for you all. So thank you. All right, so oregano and lime, lots of different ways to use those, good ones to put in your arsenal, both very cost-effective oils to add. Oregano is going to last you a really long time. We only put 5 drops of that in our balm roller, so and we only use it for a few other things for immunity, and a little goes a long way. So I've probably had the same bottle of oregano for 6 months to a year, so it lasts a really long time. Now I go through my lime a little more often because I use it so many different ways, diffuser, drinking it, rollers, etc. So it goes a little faster, but it's one of those 16 oils under $16 as well. So we'll post that so everybody knows in this public group what those 16 products under $16 were. There's a lot more than what we listed, but it's nice to know those are good ones to add to your oils arsenal. And don't forget, if you don't have your wholesale membership yet, reach out to the person that invited you here to the group and work through them to get your own wholesale membership. And then once you do, you'll get added to our private support page where you get daily 24/7 education. Hey, Anita. So if you have some people that you want to tag so they can learn more about oils on this page, feel free to add them to this group with their permission, of course, or invite them, and then tag them in any posts. And if you're helping friends and family get their own wholesale account, feel free to add directions on how they can do that. Feel free to put your website. Everybody with doTERRA gets a free website, and you don't have to do the doTERRA business in order to help people. That's what's fantastic. Everybody can help their friends and family get their own wholesale account, whether you're a doTERRA business person or not. And then you get rewarded with free products and sometimes commission. So in fact, somebody just texted me and said, hey, I got a check in the mail. What's this for? All she did was help a friend get access to the oils, and a check showed up. So now I'm going to tell her what it's for. She wasn't even trying to make money. She was just trying to help her friend to get access to these awesome oils. So keep on sharing the doTERRA love. If you're on spring break this week, have a happy rest of your spring break, and look for my post about the winner of the oregano and winner of the lime. I'll go back through later today and tally that and post that right here. Hey Sarah. And these videos are always saved, so you can go to the videos tab on this page and just watch video after video after video. Moving forward, we're going to add some more educational videos to this page. Right now we're working on making sure all of our existing members are up to speed and get a great education. Then we'll pop over here now and then and educate you as well. All right, thanks guys. Feel free to post in the comments what fun things you're doing over spring break. And the drawing for next week, of course, I'll give away an oil to all of our members. So post in the comments what fun things you're doing this spring break. Tell us what oils you're using on spring break. We are using a lot of Tri-E's on this trip. The flowers are blooming. They've had more rain than usual. And so we are all using lemon, lavender, and peppermint in the pre-made capsule called Tri-E's. And we are all taking one in the morning and one at night to help with itchy eyes and sneezing and all that good stuff. So tell us what oils you're loving to use right now, and how and why this time of year with spring, with everything starting to bloom. Tell us what's super important that you use every day so new people can learn from you as well. All right, guys, happy spring break. Wish me some warm weather. It's only 60 today. All right, have a great week. Happy oiling.